Welcome to my kitchen, and today I'm going to make a delicious salad. We have bell pepper. We're going to use a little bit of that, and we're not going to use all of it. We're just going to use some parts of it. Radishes, avocado, green apple, cucumber, yum. We're going to grate some carrots, and I have a few radishes. Yes, radishes was right. I have cilantro, cabbage, purple onion, and I have some sprouts. I have some mixed yummy sprouts, and I have some sunflower sprouts. Mulberries, organic mulberries, dried or yummy. And we have some chia seeds, and we have some hemp seeds. All right, let's start. So we're going to put some onion and create our salad dressing. I'm going to put some Berlin's flaxseed oil, a little bit of black pepper to taste, salt. I'm going to put some we're going to put some hemp seeds and now some chia seeds and a little bit of lemon juice. Okay, this is our base and we're going to massage it to let all the juices soften the onion and get the juices out. We're going to put our chopped lettuce or whatever greens you decided to have. Greens, I have romaine lettuce here, and then on top of that we're going to add cilantro and mix it a little more. Okay, now we're going to add purple cabbage. And we're going to add a little bit of apples. Green apples are my favorite. Going to add a little bit of half of a big bell pepper. We can mix it a little more. Okay, now we're going to put carrots and some beets, cucumbers. Isn't that delicious and beautiful? And actually this lunch can be for 2 people. I can eat this whole thing, but sometimes I have some leftovers. Beautiful radishes and avocado. Some sprouts. Amazing superfood. Yum, yum, yum. And this is almost it. You don't even have to have a salad dressing because you already have it in there. But if I want to add a little bit more probiotics, I add a little bit of homemade kefir, raw goat's kefir. It just adds a little bit of a sour taste, but it's quite delicious. Yummy. I did forget to put mulberries. They're so good. I wouldn't forget them. You can buy them at Sprouts or Good Earth or Amazon. They're just so sweet and just make the salad taste really good. I hope you enjoy this recipe and share with us your favorite salad recipes. See you soon.